Hi everybody, it's Dr. Yami and I am here on a very busy Thursday, and I thought that today might be a really good day to show you what I eat in a day and how simple it can be. So I am starting with breakfast. Here is my breakfast. These are overnight oats. I just have oatmeal, frozen blueberries, soy milk, water, and then I put some bananas on top. I did heat this up because I'm a little bit cold today. Sometimes in the summer I don't heat it up. And I have my water here that I'm going to drink with it. Done. That was super yummy and super filling. And this has to last me till around 1 o'clock when I eat lunch today, because I'm going to go in to see patients, do a podcast interview. Busy day today. And actually tonight I'll be going out to a restaurant, so you'll see what I get to choose at a restaurant. That was yummy. And actually I made 5 of these early in the morning after I got home from vacation on Tuesday morning, because I knew that it was going to be a crazy week. So this is something you can have in your fridge. No excuses, lasts a long time, all plants, antioxidants, fiber, you can do it. Okay, so it is, what time is it? It's 12:30. I just finished seeing many patients and doing a podcast interview coming out soon. And it is time for lunch and I'm so excited. So I'm eating this whole thing. We should weigh it, see how much it weighs. Okay, 2 pounds, 4 ounces, get in my belly. But I'm eating this whole thing, and actually this was a leftover salad from one of the salads that I videotaped yesterday for the salad challenge. So if you haven't joined the salad challenge yet, we'll put a link to make sure that you join, because that starts in just a few days. I also added a little packet of guacamole and the dressing that goes with it. And I'm going to have these 2 little pieces of polenta, because this was some experimentation that I did in the kitchen today for a cooking class that I am having with my friend Elena Moon this Saturday, where I teach some pressure cooking recipes and she's going to air fry some of the ingredients from the pressure cooker. So I learned how to make polenta in the pressure cooker, and then we're going to air fry it into polenta fries. So this is lunch for me, super simple, lots of beautiful antioxidants and fiber, and I know that it's going to be very filling and delicious. So I'll see you at dinner time.
I mean, unless it's a really funny story or that his finger got cut off. You know, something like that.
All right, it's dinner time and we're in Tacoma, Washington, because we are going to go see Deepak Chopra talk tonight. So I'm here with my friends and we're going to indulge a little bit. This is a vegan cafe. It's called Viva Vegan, and I'm so excited. We are starting with some nachos and I can't wait to see how they taste. All right, I'll show you my other courses in a bit. The nachos were a hit and we finished them all. So yummy. Actually had walnut meat, so made out of walnuts and spices, and nice vegan cheesy sauce and lots of lettuce and stuff on top. So anyway, take a look. They're all gone. Next, I'm having a veggie chowder soup before my main meal comes. So we'll see how this is. The veggie chowder was so yummy and creamy and really filling. It had potatoes in it and almost like a Thanksgiving-y flavor, so that was really good. So now I'm gonna show you what I'm having next. Don't judge. Sweet potato chili cheese fries. Yes, I'm doing it. I'm really gonna do this because as a vegan, you never get to have chili cheese fries, and that's what I'm having. But I'm also going to share with my husband the raw enchiladas. And look at that. Look at all those antioxidants and how beautiful that looks. So yes, tonight's gonna be a very good night. I'll let you know afterwards how it was. The chili cheese fries were amazing, but I am so full, so I have the rest here to go. And the raw enchiladas were really good too. However, we decided to get a little dessert, so we got the blueberry cheesecake, vegan of course, so I can't wait to try it. It's been a great day. I'm feeling very satisfied, very happy. Really, it's not that difficult to eat a plant-based diet. I will catch you next time, and I hope that you had a plantastic day. Why is breastfeeding so important?
Well, first off, it's our most natural source of human food, right? It has all our vital components that babies need. It has our proteins, our fat contents, water contents. Moms pass their immunoglobulins and antibodies through their breast milk to the baby. So it's like essentially you're vaccinating your baby that first couple of months. So it is the most digestible thing you can provide for your infant to provide them the growth and development they need. Versus, I know formula companies have improved what they've done compared to, a couple of decades ago. But it's still junk. Mm-hmm. It's primarily cow's milk based, has corn syrup, and they do try to remedy some of the junkiness by providing all the essential electrolytes and